Welcome to Cakes Factory. Today we are diving into the rich, glossy world of chocolate Ganache cakes. From simple swirls to luxury drips, we have gathering 15 stunning Ganache cake ideas you will love for birthdays, events, or anytime you crave something chocolatey or beautiful. Let's get started. The first is classic Ganache cake. Timeless, rich, perfect for any occasion. The next is Gunge Drip Cake. Buttercream base with thick chocolate gunge dripping down the side. Add cookies or chocolate on the top for extra fun. Mini junk bento cake. Cute, simple, and perfect for gifting. The next is Ganch covered cocoa berry ganch chocolate cake. The next is Grange and gold leaf chocolate cake. Dark Grange paste brushes with edible gold leaf. Add golden pearl for a luxury touch. The next is layered Grange cake. Slice it open for a rich, mouth-watering view. The next is wiped Grange roll cake. Soft texture with deep flavor. The next is ganch and nuts cake, crushed cake. Cover the cake into ganch and top with common almond, hazelnut, walnut for that perfect crunches. The next is Oreo crunch drip cake. Use milk, dark and white chocolate ganch and drip from to create a beautiful ombre effect from top to bottom. The next is heart-shaped sponge cake, perfect for anniversaries or birthday parties. Heart-shaped cake with smooth sponge and a sprinkle of love and maybe sprinkles too. The next is Gans Swirl Top Cake, smooth buttercream slide, but the top is covered with thick crunch and swirling motion using a spatula, simple yet aesthetic. The next is chocolate ganch number cake, shaped like a birthday number and topped with piped ganch chocolate and cookies, perfect for themed birthday. The next is rustic ganch cake, messy for beautiful. Let the ganch flow naturally over the edges for a raw and homemade chocolate feel. The next is ganch and macaron crown cake. Top your ganch cake with macaron, truffles, or gold accent. Arrange like a crown, fancy and festive. The next is vintage chocolate ganch cake. And there have it. 15 rich and gorgeous chocolate ganch cake ideas for you next celebration. Which one would you love to try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss delicious idea only on Cakes Factory. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. One message from my side is that always be positive and be truthful. Don't lie. In every relationship, try to be honest and truth and loving. Then you can run your relation perfectly.